Welcome back, Xplorer fam. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated flagship smartphones of the year, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. Known for its powerhouse hardware, premium build, and cutting-edge software, the Mate 70 Pro Plus is here to impress. We're covering everything from its sleek design to camera performance and battery life, so let's get started. Starting with the design, the Mate 70 Pro Plus is all about elegance and durability. It features a 6.83-inch LTPO OLED display with super smooth curves and incredibly thin bezels, providing a nearly edge-to-edge experience. Crafted with Kunlun Glass 3 for improved durability, this display is ready to handle whatever life throws at it. The back of the Mate 70 Pro Plus shines with a polished glass finish, and the refined camera layout adds to its premium feel. The phone comes in classic colors like black and silver frost, with the overall design providing a sleek and modern look that's both stylish and functional. On the display front, Huawei equips the Mate 70 Pro Plus with a 120Hz OLED panel that's both vibrant and sharp, thanks to its 1265x 2725 pixel resolution. This makes scrolling smooth and enhances visuals for everything from streaming to gaming. With Huawei's adaptive 2440Hz high-frequency PWM dimming technology, it also helps reduce eye strain, which is great for long viewing sessions. Not to mention, it supports HDR10 Plus for deeper contrast and vivid colors, giving you a truly immersive viewing experience, whether you're gaming or streaming your favorite shows. Now let's talk performance. The Mate 70 Pro Plus is powered by Huawei's in-house Kirin 9000S Max chipset, built to handle multitasking and high-demand applications with ease. This 5nm chip pairs with 16GB of RAM and options for up to 1TB of internal storage, making it a powerhouse for gaming, video editing, and more. This processor not only ensures smooth app switching but also enhances AI-based tasks, providing a more responsive and fluid user experience overall. And with Huawei's HarmonyOS 5.0, you're getting improved efficiency and tons of smart features. On to one of the biggest highlights, the camera. The Mate 70 Pro Plus packs a triple rear camera setup featuring a 66MP main sensor with OIS, a 52MP telephoto lens, and a 44MP ultrawide camera. This combination promises crisp photos with excellent detail in various lighting conditions. The main sensor is designed to capture more light, producing stunning night shots. And with 5x optical zoom and digital zoom up to 50x, the telephoto lens allows you to capture clear, detailed images even from a distance. For selfies, the Mate 70 Pro Plus sports a 13MP front camera, complete with a 3D depth sensor that enhances background separation for better portraits and secure facial recognition. The Mate 70 Pro Plus doesn't disappoint on battery life either. It packs a robust 5100 mAh battery, designed to last through heavy use. And when it's time to recharge, 95W wired charging can get you back up and running in minutes. Plus, with 50W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging capabilities, you have plenty of charging options. With such powerful charging capabilities, you're looking at all-day battery life and a phone that's ready to go whenever you are. Running on HarmonyOS 5.0, the Mate 70 Pro Plus provides a fresh, streamlined experience that's both secure and easy to use. With advanced privacy settings and a customizable interface, Huawei has focused on user experience and security in its latest OS update. The Mate 70 Pro Plus includes an in-display fingerprint sensor and Face ID, making it convenient and secure to unlock your phone and access apps. On the connectivity front, the Mate 70 Pro Plus is fully equipped with 5G Wi-Fi 6 and NFC capabilities, offering you top-of-the-line connectivity. With Huawei's advanced antenna design, you can expect strong network performance wherever you go. It also offers dual stereo speakers, perfect for an immersive audio experience, whether you're watching videos or listening to music. So, is the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus worth the hype? With its premium build, high-performance Kirin 9000S Max processor, powerful camera system, and long-lasting battery, the Mate 70 Pro Plus stands out as a true flagship. For those looking for a reliable, top-tier smartphone with excellent features across the board, this device delivers. Thanks for tuning into our in-depth look at the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. Let us know what you think of this flagship in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews here at Xplorer.